Welcome to an in-depth look at one of the most essential devices of our time, the smartphone. But have you ever stopped to think about how this pocket-sized powerhouse is actually made? In this video, we're diving deep into the intricate technology and the fascinating manufacturing journey that transforms raw materials into the sleek, functional device you hold every day. It starts with a powerful question. Do you truly know how your smartphone is made? Prepare to be amazed by the complexity and precision involved. We'll simplify the complicated processes, from the initial design concept to the final quality checks, giving you a crystal clear understanding of mobile phone technology. First, every smartphone begins as an idea. Let's look at how the physical form of your mobile device is created. The process starts with conceptualization using advanced 3D design software, where engineers meticulously shape every curve, edge, and component placement. Engineers play a critical role, balancing the aesthetic appeal that consumers crave with the structural integrity and functionality required for the internal hardware. Next, we move to the brain of the operation, the processors and chipsets. These tiny components dictate your phone's speed and capabilities. The foundation is semiconductor technology, starting with pure silicon wafers. These are the canvases onto which billions of transistors, tiny electronic switches, are etched. Through complex photolithography and etching processes in hyper-clean rooms, these wafers become the powerful microchips that run your favorite apps and demanding tasks. What about the stunning screen you look at? Display technology is a fascinating field of its own. We have liquid crystal displays, or LCDs, which use a backlight. Then there are OLED and AMOLED, where each pixel generates its own light, leading to incredible contrast and vibrant colors. Manufacturing these screens requires layers of glass, polarizing filters, and advanced material deposition to ensure that the final result is responsive and crystal clear. A phone is only as good as its power source and its ability to capture the world. Let's look at the battery and camera. Most phones use lithium-ion or lithium polymer batteries, relying on chemical reactions to move ions between electrodes to store and release energy, providing the longevity we demand. Mobile cameras use complex lens systems to focus light onto a digital sensor. This sensor, made of millions of tiny photodiodes, converts light into digital data, capturing stunning photos and videos. With all the components ready, it's time to put the pieces together and give the phone its intelligence. The assembly process is largely automated, with high-precision machines and robotic arms working tirelessly to connect delicate circuit boards and integrate all hardware components flawlessly. Once the hardware is complete, the operating system, whether it's Android or iOS, is flashed onto the device's memory, bringing the smartphone to life and defining its user experience. Before a phone can reach your hands, it must pass rigorous quality checks. Every batch undergoes extreme durability testing, including high-impact drop tests and immersion tests to certify water resistance, ensuring the device can handle real-world wear and tear. The final stage involves comprehensive quality checks, verifying camera functionality, screen responsiveness, battery charging, and audio performance before the device is packaged and shipped. If you enjoy technology videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.